So it is because of the capacitive sensing that your phone screen does that this party trick exists, where you can take a fuse, and if it's not a blown fuse, still in working order, the phone will detect it, as you can see there, like that. So if you can see that it's not detecting the fuse while it's just lying there, but let's put it there where you can see it. The moment I touch the fuse, it sees a key press. Okay, so that's because of the current flowing through the fuse. Now if this were an open circuit fuse, we would not see a key press. Okay, so that's obviously not recommended as the right way to test a fuse, but it's a cool party trick. Testing a fuse on a phone like that. But that's because of the capacitive sensing in the screen that current flows through the fuse, because it's not a blown fuse. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up there. Thanks for watching this, ladies and gentlemen. Take care. Have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.